Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 10,562 miles and does not pass New York State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. The reason this bike does not pass New York State inspection is because our technician has noted that this bike runs and rides well. However, the check engine light is on and throwing a code 11 for a cam position sensor, and this part is currently unavailable. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's paint peeling on the caliper, a paint chip on the fuel tank, and blemishes on the fuel tank. This bike has a toolkit and one key. It's been upgraded with a Power Commander 5, Vance & Hines exhaust, aftermarket mirrors, handlebar risers, and a chin fairing. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.